Hey, welcome back to another episode of Mr. Held's Writing.
It's Mr. Held's Writing. It's Mr. Held's Writing. It's Mr. Held's Writing. And also Ivy.
I can say the life cycle of a butterfly. Today, I am so excited to tell you that we are going to be learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. Miss Feldwebel, the kindergarten teacher, has caterpillars in her house right now, and they are going to grow to be awesome, big, beautiful butterflies. What we're going to learn about today is how they get to become a butterfly. Our vocabulary is life cycle. Can you say life cycle? This is the stages that a living thing goes through during its life. It's how it grows. All plants and animals go through life cycles. First, a butterfly starts out as an egg. This egg is laid on a leaf. Then the caterpillar hatches out of the egg. And the first thing the caterpillar eats is the egg that it hatched out of. Next, the caterpillar goes around and it eats leaves to grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Then the caterpillar forms a cocoon or a pupa. The caterpillar wraps itself around and attaches itself to a tree branch or a stick on a tree. Then the cocoon or the pupa hatches and out comes a beautiful butterfly. Let's go through the life cycle of a butterfly one more time. It starts as an egg. Then it goes to a larva or a caterpillar. Next, it forms a pupa or a cocoon. And last, it turns into a butterfly. Together, we're going to watch a short movie on the life cycle of a butterfly. In this movie, you will see all 4 stages of the butterfly's life.
Our topic for today is life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch, and young ones called larvae, or caterpillars, come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa.
Another word for pupa that we use a lot in our classroom is cocoon.
After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly.
I love that movie. For our work that we're going to be doing today, we are going to be drawing and writing about the 4 stages of a butterfly's life. Alright, so what you're going to want to do first is take your marker and split your paper into 4 different sections by making 2 lines like this. So now you got 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections because there's 4 different parts or stages of a life cycle of a butterfly. Now, my drawing is not the best, but what I do is I try my best. And that's what I need you to do. I need you to try your best. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a number 1 right here in the corner. And I'm going to draw a leaf. And on the leaf, I'm going to draw the first stage of a butterfly's life. What is that? That's right, it's an egg. G. Actually, it has 2 G's. Egg. Now let's do the second stage. After the egg hatches, we get kind of like a long, thin type creature. Do you guys know what that is? I'm sure you guys have all seen them before. It's a caterpillar. This word's going to be hard to sound out. Let's try our best. K, a, t, t. Oh, cat. P, p. L, r. Caterpillar. Okay, let's go down do our third stage. After we have the egg and the caterpillar, the third stage is something that hangs from a tree. It's a cocoon. Can you say that? Cocoon. Good. Cocoon. Cocoon. And then the last stage, this is the most fun stage to draw. What is that? It's a butterfly, of course. Awesome. Here are the 4 stages of a butterfly's life. This is the life cycle. And this is what I need you to draw on a piece of paper. Then you want to make sure that you're coloring it in. And making it look really nice. And then your work will be done. I am so excited to see your work. After you are done, you want to take a picture of it and submit it to Class Dojo so that I can see it and so that the rest of the kindergarten teachers can see it.